Hello, everyone. My name is Jennifer Jero Patel, and I am the Assistant Director of New Student Programs here at LaSalle University. First, I would like to give you a huge congratulations for being accepted to LaSalle, and I really hope you decide to call our campus home for your college career. So my position has two main parts to it. So first, I plan our Explorientation program every fall, which is our new student orientation program. And then secondly, my job goes into first year initiatives programming post Explorientation. So Explorientation this year will take place on Tuesday, August 25th. That's when it will start, and it will be a 4-day formal program throughout that week with optional weekend activities and optional late night activities sponsored by Late Night LaSalle. So the program will start on August 25th for residential students with their move-in day, and then commuter students, their families, and everyone will join us for our first session to kick off Explorientation with a big lunch on the quad area. So there will also be a parent and family session that parent and families will go to different sessions that day, and that will take place when Explorientation starts until about 5 p.m. that day, and then the students and the family members will say goodbye to each other, family members will leave, and then the first year students will continue on with that week's worth of programs. The purpose of Explorientation is to acclimate you to our campus. I really like that Explorientation here at LaSalle takes place right before the start of the fall semester, because information is current, it's fresh in your head, and you are ready for that start that following Monday of your classes. Every student will be in a group with about 25 other students, and you'll be led by Explorientation leaders. So you'll have 2 sophomore, junior, or senior level students that you meet with every day for about an hour, and then they guide you from session to session throughout the day. They're normally wearing these polos that I'm wearing right now. So they're super helpful in getting all of your questions answered. The schedule for Explorientation will be updated as the semester and the summer progress, and you'll see updates on our website. In addition, when you come to Explorientation, you will have the opportunity to view your individualized schedule on the LaSalle app Explorientation tab. So you can sign up for Explorientation through your checklist. And it's better to sign up as soon as possible. It's a really easy form. The deadline for that is June 30th, and that's when you could RSVP for yourself as well as your guests. The second part of my job is first year initiatives. So these are programs that happen post Explorientation, because when you think about it, you get a lot of information over the course of 4 to 5 days, and it's a lot to take in, and so you may forget some of that information, or you may need more information on a specific topic. Some examples of programs that we did this year as part of first year initiatives included a first generation student program, we did a mental health wellness program, and we also did a 4-week leadership series with some of our first year students. We plan to even expand on that for this year, and it should be a really exciting involvement opportunity for first year students. So if you have any additional questions, I'm very happy to help. You can reach me best by my email at ruggiero@lasalle.edu. That's RUGGIERO@lasalle.edu. And good luck, and I look forward to meeting you in the fall.